Everyone thinks old wall fans are loaded with valuable copper. But is that actually true? I bought this fan for only $5. By the end of this video, we'll find out if it was a smart investment or a complete waste of money. Before touching a single screw, let's record the starting weight. This wall fan weighs 7.5 kilograms. That's our benchmark. Every component we remove will help us understand where all that weight comes from and which materials are actually worth money. At first glance, a wall fan looks like a simple household appliance, but inside, it's a combination of steel, aluminum, copper, plastic, and precision mechanical parts. The electric motor converts electrical energy into rotational motion, spinning the blades to create a steady flow of air. Now let's see what's really inside. Now comes the most exciting part. It's finally time to see what's hiding inside this old wall fan. We begin by removing the front safety grille, then the fan blades, and finally the rear cover. With the outer parts out of the way, the motor is now fully exposed. This is where the real investigation begins. Every screw is carefully removed. Every bracket is separated, and every component is inspected before moving to the next step. At first glance, everything looks ordinary, but once the motor starts coming apart, the valuable materials slowly begin to reveal themselves. The steel frame is incredibly solid, built to handle years of daily use. The aluminum components help reduce weight, while still providing strength where it's needed. And then, we reach the copper windings. This is the part most recyclers are waiting for. Many people assume old electric motors are packed with copper, but that's not always the case. Some contain far less than expected, while others can be surprisingly valuable. That's exactly why every teardown is different. As each piece is removed, the materials are sorted into separate groups. Iron with iron, aluminum with aluminum, and copper on its own. No guessing, no shortcuts, just a complete teardown, and an honest look at what's really inside. Now that every major component has been separated, and now it's time for the final breakdown. After sorting every recyclable material, here's what we recovered. Iron, 3.9 kilograms. Aluminum, 1.4 kilograms. Copper, 500 grams. But the majority of this fan is actually made from iron. That's why weighing every material individually is so important. So, was this purchase worth of it? I paid only $5 for this old wall fan. After separating and weighing all the recyclable materials, the total scrap value came to $17. That means a total profit of $12. Not bad for one discarded fan. $3.50 to $4. Every old machine has a story, and every teardown reveals the truth hidden inside. If you enjoy real recycling, honest profit calculations, and satisfying teardown videos, subscribe to the channel, because next time we might discover something even more valuable.